Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT in Elkhart Lake Blue on black interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. I've left the Targa top installed this time just because I want to show you it is a transparent roof. Or a glass roof they call it. So as you can see, here's the trunk area. The top clips nicely into this space here. So there's one clip here and one clip here. So you can still place some items below if you like. This one has the privacy shield. So there's the lower piece. Here's the upper piece here. We also have the net for keeping some items in place. And then we've got a storage compartment down below as well. So that's great. And let's go ahead and we'll close this. It's got soft close, so all I have to do is press, it will grab and pull itself shut. We've got the nice high wing here, so it's the stage 2 wing with the carbon flash metallic on the lower piece here. And there's the two outer pieces there. We've got the chrome badge package on this one, so we've got the chrome Corvette logo and flag there. We've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust. We've got the LED tail lights there on the side. And let's just shift around to this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So nice black gloss wheels. We've got red painted calipers and Michelin tires on there. We've got the color matched fins here over the vents. Looks great. And we've got the carbon flash metallic side skirt that runs along. And there's your Corvette kick plate on this side, and it's in fabulous condition, as you can see. No marks, no issues to point out. And for the power seat, we've got power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. We've got the nice upgraded Grand Sport mats. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And also note, we've got the red seat belts there. Look fabulous. So on the door panel here, we've got the 10 speaker Bose stereo. We've got the power door release, power locks and power windows, and a nice baseball stitching that runs along the door panel. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And on this side here, we've got heated and cooled seat for the passenger temperature control and temperature display. And let's have a look at the dash while we're here. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And we'll check the glove box. So we've got the books, those are there. And let's hop out. And I'll just show you that glass roof from this side. So there it is, it's transparent, it's got a blue tinge to it, looks great, keeps the sun out, and allows you to see what's going on. It gives you a great experience when driving. So we'll just close this side up. We've got nice deep dark tinted windows on this one as well. And we'll just go up to the front here. You've got the carbon flash metallic insert there beside your Grand Sport logo. And then there's your front wheel. Again, red calipers, gloss black wheels, Michelin tires. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower, 460 with the NPP. And then that's paired to an 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. On the Grand Sport, you've also got the mag ride. So there's the cable for the mag ride. It's got the dry sump oil. So there's your dry sump oil on this side. And it also has the heavy duty brakes, transmission cooler, and rear differential cooler. And as you can see, it's very clean. This is how the car is landed to us. So it's in great shape, as you can see. So we'll just go ahead, we'll close up the hood. We'll have a look from the front. There it is from the front. So it's got the nice carbon flash metallic stinger stripe that runs up, carbon flash metallic grille. And then we've got the nice projector style HUD headlights with LED daytime running lights and turn signals. We've got the lower splitter on the bottom with the side pieces. Looks great. It's in great shape, as you can see. We'll just run along so you can see the condition. Looks great. And then with the 2LT, we also have the front curb view camera. So there's one of them there, and there's the other one on this side. Again, chrome badge package, so there's your chrome badge. And we do have 3M here on the front bumper, so I can see the seam there, and it's just on the bumper, so that's great. And let's run around this side here. We'll have a look. There's your front wheel. So again, looks great. It's in really good shape. High gloss black wheels, red calipers, Michelin tires, heavy duty brakes. And same thing back here. Awesome. I also want to point out there is tint on the side marker lenses. It can come off, so if you prefer to have it off, no problem. We can look after that for you. So over at the driver's side, we've got our memory seat, power locks, power windows, 10-speaker Bose stereo, electronic door release. Here's your kick plate. Little tiny minor scuffing there on the plate, but again, we'll polish that. We'll make it look as good as we can for you. Here's your power seat. So again, power fore, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. No issues with it. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right. Nice bark to it. So in terms of kilometers, let's see, we have 15,427, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Over here we have our cruise control buttons. We've got our favorites or track change buttons. We also have a nice carbon fiber inlay that's placed around the steering wheel. It looks great. On this side we've got volume controls. We've got our arrow keys which control the dash. So we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options can all be controlled there. Voice command and telephone controls. Your plus paddle shifter and your minus paddle shifter are over here. On this side, we've got mirror control, heads-up display control, and then in here, this is your power tilt telescopic steering wheel. We've got our trunk release, alarm disable button there. And let's see, I'll just show you the heads-up display. Let's turn off the headlights so you can see. So there's the heads-up display, and you can change through what's displayed as well. So very cool feature. And then on this side here, we've got our push button start, and then we'll go over to our screen. We've got audio, so we'll click here. That's AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth streaming. We've got phone, and let's see, we've got nav. So there's your full factory navigation, PDR, so performance data recorder. If I put it in reverse, there's your reverse camera. If I put it in forward, there's your curve view cameras. And then we also have our climate control with our heated and cooled seats for the driver, and there's also secondary controls for the passenger here. There's your Grand Sport placard there, 8-speed automatic transmission shifter, 12-volt socket, cup holders. We've got 2 keys with this one. We've got our mode select, so as we twist that, we've got touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and touring. And then we've got our electronic parking brake, and then in here we've got 2 USB ports and a line in and a 12-volt socket up in the front. And then also take note, it's got the nice Grand Sport logo stitched onto the armrest here, so that's great. So let's just hop out with this one running and have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. And I'll just start at the front. I'll let you have a look with the headlights on. There it is with the headlights on. Nice looking car. And let's just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. Here it is from the back. Great sound to it. Awesome looking machine. Great color, great options, low kilometers, awesome car. There you have it, folks, 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT in Elkhart Lake Blue, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.